வணக்கம் மக்களே, வெல்கம் டு அவர் யூடியூப் சேனல் ஜாவேஸ் இன் 2016. ஸோ இந்த மேட்ச்சில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா இந்தியா வர்சஸ் நியூசிலாண்டுக்கான ஒரு டீட்டெயில்டு ப்ரிவ்யூ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ இது வந்து ஃபைனல் வேர்ல்டு சாம்பியன்ஷிப் டெஸ்ட்டுக்கான ஃபைனல் மேட்ச் இந்தியா வர்சஸ் நியூசிலாண்ட். ஸோ இதில் யார் வின் பண்ண போகிறான்னு தெரியல, பட் மேட்ச் பார்க்குறதுக்கு செம்ம சுவாரஸ்யமாக செம்ம இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக போகும்னு எனக்கு நல்லா தெரியுது. ஸோ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம டெலிகிராம் சேனல் நீங்கள் ஜாயின் பண்ணலைன்னா நீங்கள் ஜாயின் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Jarvis in 2016, and today India vs New Zealand final we are going to see, and this is my Telegram channel Jarvis Official. Just search at Jarvis Official in Telegram, so you can easily join my Telegram channel. So you will get all my teams in Telegram channel, final teams only. So you can see I have posted all matches GL and SL team in my Telegram channel. And the main thing, subscribe my YouTube channel, and guys, like my all videos. It will help me to put more videos, it will motivate me. ஸோ நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற லைக்ஸ் தான் எனக்கு நல்ல இன்னும் ஊக்கம் கொடுக்குது, நிறைய வீடியோ பண்ணணுன்ட்டு. எனக்கு குறைஞ்சது ஒரு வீடியோக்கு 100 லைக்ஸ் நீங்கள் கொடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் அடுத்த வீடியோ நான் போட்டுக்கிட்டே இருப்பேன். ஸோ மேட்ச்சுக்குள்ளே போகலாம். அண்டு இந்த மேட்ச் நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்போர்டஸில் நீங்கள் விளையாடலாம். ஸோ தமிழ்நாட்டில் ட்ரீம் ஒன் பேர்னால நீங்கள் ஸ்போர்டஸி ப்ளே பண்ணுறதுனால உங்களுக்கு பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட் தேவை கிடையாது. ஸோ நீங்கள் டேரெக்டாகவே பேங்க் பேடிஎம் மூலிமா விட்ரா பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ இந்தியா மேட்ச்சுக்கு அவங்க நிறைய கண்டஸ்ட்டும் கொடுத்துக்கிறாங்க, உங்களுக்கு ப்ளே பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். நிறைய ஆஃபர் இருக்குது. நீங்கள் கேஷ் போனஸ் வந்து 500 rupees உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் என்னுடைய கோட் ஜார்விஸ் 18 அந்த கோடு யூஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஸ்போர்டஸி டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிவிட்டு லிங்க் நான் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் கொடுக்குறேன். So guys, download Sportazzi, very good application, alternative application for Dream 11. So in some state Dream 11 has been banned, so people you can play Sportazzi. I'll give download link in description box and first comment, and use my code Jarvis18 to get 500 rupees cash bonus. So let's see. So toss will be 3 p.m. In Indian Standard Time. Match will start at 3:30, and stadium in Southampton, Aegis Bowl Stadium, Southampton is going to happen, and it expected rain to happen in 5 days. So let's see how we are going to play and what pitch will turn to. And this will be the playing 11 of India. Already India has announced the playing 11, so you can see. And this is probable 11 of New Zealand. So let's see who will play for New Zealand. And last 3 test matches venue. So in this pitch, and last test matches score and how it works, and wickets and runs. So Pakistan versus England, they have played 3 games in this Southampton pitch, and these are the results. So it clearly shows fast bowlers, seamers are very impressive in this pitch. So in this pitch fast bowlers are very good, so take maximum number of fast bowlers. And India versus New Zealand head-to-head stats. So total India have played 15 test matches with New Zealand, and India won 21 matches, and New Zealand have won 12 matches and draw 26 matches. And last 5 head-to-head stat of India versus New Zealand, last 5 test matches, India won 3 and New Zealand won 2. And see India versus New Zealand winning in this championship tournament. India played 17 matches and won 12 and lost 4 and drew 1. New Zealand have played 11 matches, won 7 and lost 4 and drew 0. And see India player stats against New Zealand. So these are the player stats. So Virat Kohli has played 17 matches, 17 innings and scored 773 runs. And see Pujara, Rahane, Jadeja, these players are playing exceptionally well in foreign pitches, so must pick, you have to take them. And most wickets against New Zealand, Ashwin, Sharma, Shami, Jaddu and Umesh Yadav and Jasprit Bumrah, these have been exceptionally well, and they have taken more wickets. Best option Ashwin, Ishant Sharma, Shami. And the player stats against India, New Zealand's player stats. See guys, Ross Taylor, Kane Williamson, Tom Latham, BJ Watling. So these 4 guys have played very well, and recent star Devon Conway also playing good in this condition, so he will be getting more runs. Let's see. And most wickets for New Zealand, Southee, Bolt, Wagner, Jamieson, Granholm, And see Taylor, he has been bowled also. So let's see. And top fantasy picks for India versus New Zealand dream team: Rohit Sharma, Pujara, Kohli, Ashwin, Bumrah. And also for New Zealand, Conway, Williamson, Taylor, Saudi, Wagner. So these are important picks. So you can use the stats I have given here clearly. Once again I will show you. So highest runs for the Indian players against New Zealand, highest wicket for Indian players against New Zealand, and the highest runs against India New Zealand players, and New Zealand players highest wicket against India. So these are top 5 fantasy picks. Let's see the team selection. I have already made my team. So this will be my small league team for initial now. After seeing toss and lineup, I will decide who will be opening and who will be bowling death over like that and all. I will see, and I will change my team after lineups and toss. So this will be my initial 11 players I have selected, and in this you can keep Rohit Sharma, Kohli, Conway, Williamson as captain, and vice captain options Jaddu, Wagner, Boult. So these are important, and also you can keep Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Williamson, Conway as so vice captain. You can exchange teams. See, Tom Latham and Ross Taylor, they have been played very well. So just select Ross Taylor and Tom Latham and Henry Nicholls also in your team. So now I will show you who and all important players. In wicket keeper position, Rishabh Pant recently played very well in test matches, and BJ Watling, important wicket keeper, must pick him. And in batsman section, I don't think Indian openers will perform today. Let's see, Rohit Sharma in my doubt list only. If you want, you can take in Rohit Sharma. Virat Kohli, I hope Virat to hit 100 today. Let's see Virat will hit or not. And Williamson is struggling in now, but let's see. Class is important, so Williamson can score. Let's see who will score. But important pick for New Zealand, Ross Taylor. Always Ross Taylor playing very well against India. And Rahane, you can select Rahane. In foreign pitches, he is playing exceptionally good, very well. And also another one player, Cheteshwar Pujara, who plays very well in foreign pitch. And in bowling, all-rounder option, Jaddu, Ashwin. You can take, if you want, you can take a Colin de Grandhomme also. You can take, but I'll go with two spinners, Jaddu and Ashwin. And in bowler section, Saudi, Boult, Ishant Sharma, Wagner, Mohammad Shami. If Matt Henry plays, select Matt Henry, important pick. So these are my predicted 11 and also for GL team. If I make one GL team, I will show you live GL team for you. Kohli, Ross Taylor, Latham, Nicholls, Rahane, Jadeja, Ashwin, Saudi, Boult, Ishant Sharma. If you want to take another one bowler, you have to drop any one batsman. So you can drop Henry Nicholls and you can take Mohammad Shami. Like this you can take. And captain is captain. I'll keep for GL team, Ross Taylor I will keep captain and vice captain Ashwin. And Virat Kohli captain and vice captain Rahane. And Virat Kohli captain, vice captain Pant captain, vice captain Jaddu captain, vice captain Ashwin captain, vice captain Saudi, Boult captain, vice captain Saudi captain, vice captain Ishant Sharma captain, vice captain Virat Kohli. And if I make another GL team, I will show you. Kohli, Williamson, Rohit Sharma, Ross Taylor, Shubman Gill, Devon Conway. In wicket keeper, BJ Watling. All-rounder, Ashwin, Saudi, Boult, and Ishant Sharma or Mohammad Shami. Like this I will take full based on batsman. In this I will keep Kane Williamson captain and vice captain Conway. Rohit Sharma captain, vice captain Conway, Virat Kohli captain, vice captain Conway captain, vice captain Ross Taylor, Conway captain, vice captain Ashwin. Like this I will keep. And if I select fully based on bowler all-rounder bowling team, full bowling option is Saudi Bolt, Ishant Sharma, Wagner, Mohammad Shami, Ashwin Jadeja, and 3 batsmen. If I want to take Ross Taylor, Virat Kohli, and Ajinkya Rahane, and in bowling wicket keeper Rishabh Pant, or you can take BJ Watley. So like this, if you want to take all bowling options win, you can take, and keep captain as a Bolt and vice captain Mohammad Shami or Ishant Sharma. So like this. I hope you all joined my Telegram channel. If you didn't join, just join it. Search at Jarvis Official in Telegram, you will get it. And if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, and also smash the like button. That's all for today's this match detail. I hope you all win GL. Thank you guys. This is Jarvis signing off.